CM but chairman barim jong Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council but ubalongru sien kumu MLA ka Mawsynram Constituency uba PN Syiem Haba iakren but ka Rikhasi Channel ula pynpaw ba ula Iakhun ya ka MLA Ilekshon house nam arajar arfulai na Pynthorumkhrah phrsha ya uba hek ubade MLA ba mynta namar ba pynpaw bo yo obon ki jingkyrshan na ka constituency lani ula ru ban phai khmat sha ka Shillong North ba Iakhun ya ka MLA Ilekshon hau arajar arfulai phrsha ya uba Adelbert Nongrum.
My 18 Mawsynram Constituency constitute of two parts. Few villages under Shillong North, few villages under Pynthor. So my people from Pynthor is ask me why not contest from Pynthor. My supporter from Shillong North under Shillong North, why not contest from Shillong North? Then this on this issue on this part also I cannot say anything right now. It is too early. Because my residence is in Pynthorumkhrah. I am very much connected with people in Pynthorumkhrah. But at the same time, I am very much connected also with the people of Shillong North. I remember during my schooling, I used to stay a different locality of the Shillong North. Like I had stayed in Jiao. So I am very much close with them also. I had been as the CM, I think people knows me very well during my time as the CM. So I think right now I cannot say anything right now. Yes, I intend to contest from Pynthor, but at the same time I look my eyes open also for the Shillong North also. Because it depends on the situation. Suppose I join any party, for the convenience of the party, ask me to contest from anywhere. I can ask them party man, I have to go by the party decision. So till now they also ask me why not go being back to Mawsynram also. See, so many options. So now I cannot say anything right now.
Haba kylli na uni UMDC shimet banaka sain pyrthei ayu unmi hau ajar arfulai uba PN Syiem ulaong ba peit hadien halor kani kabentang ula pentip ru babon ki sain pyrthei kilakot yo henre ulai thu ba umpat shim karai sha ka sain pyrthei ayu unen.
You know my journey as a politician. After I lost Mawsynram, yeah, it is a blunder for me in Ranikor. So locally, at least people in Shillong urban area, they still accept me as the MDC of Mawsynram Pynthor. The very challenging for me now is to give the best service to my people in Mawsynram Pynthorumkhrah. So right now I cannot say anything because we have so many options. Some people are saying me, why not going back to the PDF? Some say that why not you go with Congress again? Some said why not you go with the BJP also? So right now I cannot say anything, but I will see. Only when 2021 come, then I'll decide which political party I'll join or what is my decisions. From my side, I will not think for formation of a new party, as I already formed a the PDF, but we have failed on some issues. So right now, I don't think that I will go for a new party. But if only some other leaders, they are interested to come up with a new party, then I may join with them also. That it is open to me. But for me, I have no intention to launch a new political party. It depends on my service to the people of Mawsynram Pynthor, Mawsynram. If I am rendering the best service to them, I think all the party will want me, because the party I think is of the opinion that the winnability candidate need to give a ticket so that it will enhance the number of the winning candidates. So I think if I am the very winnability candidate for whatever, either Pynthor or Shillong North or Mawsynram, I think all the parties will approach me. As of now, many parties, because they know that I have full chance to win, maybe from Pynthor, maybe from Shillong North, maybe from Mawsynram. I have no reservation for any party, because I think you understand, I have no personal conflict with anyone, only because of conflict on issues, thinking and opinions. So I have no problem to go back to NPP also. But right now I will not decide in a hurry, because I have to see for the interest of the state. Because the state has failed in all respect. a potential state like Meghalaya, a huge potential, what I can say, in hydropower sector, a huge potential in thermal power sector, a huge potential in tourism sector, a huge potential in human resources sector. I think Shillong is moderate climate. We can have good universities so that people will invest in educational institutions. We have good resources in terms of mineral resources. So we need a new thinking, a new vision, so that the people of the state will have a good revenue, so that they can depend on the state itself. So now we need a good team to have the vision on all these issues. Now unemployment has been increased. Before we had 10 to 11 to 12%. Now it's gone to 23%. We have 26. We have to see in all these issues. So I think before I join with any party, I have to see also what kind of people in the parties, whether they have the vision or not on all these issues, so that to have a new change for the state of Meghalaya. So I will not in a hurry to join the party. I will see from all these issues.